Mga ka-nose! Welcome sa akong YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. I'm your barista, Maiko Ryan Gesto. And for today's episode, my first travel experience with Ilonggo vloggers for our Bacolod adventure and promotions by Fastcat. And for this episode, this is a sponsored brand review and disclaimer ng mga nose with my opinion and my own standards when it comes to travel experience and brand reviews. Like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. At para always kayo notified sa mga latest episodes ko, just click the notification bell icon. And kapag may nakita kayong skip ads, ilang seconds or ilang minutes, huwag niyo po skip. Malaking tulong ngayon sa aking channel. Fastcat have a FerrySafe, FerryFast, and FerryConvenient trip, owned by Archipelago Philippine Ferries Corporation. Fastcat is a catamaran with 2 hulls, making her more stable with a capacity of approximately 300 lane meters for trucks, cars, and other land vehicles. She can hold 34 to 40 cars and 7 to 12 trucks, buses, and can accommodate more than 300 passengers. For their standard passenger rates ranges from as affordable price of 168 pesos onwards, depends on your destination. So offers 20% discount on senior citizen or PWD and 50% discount on passenger rates for children from 3 to 7 years old by just bringing these important documents for their requirements. Copy of the official receipt of the vehicle, copy of the certificate of registration of the vehicle, a valid ID of the driver issued by the government. Passenger safety is their top priority. All of their vessels are equipped with individual life vests for every passenger. And for their seat classification, economy, premium economy, and business class. Also available for their Fastcat Mobile App enables you to book your next ferry trip in just a few steps. Available for download now on the App Store and Google Play. Here are the updated trip schedule, Iloilo and Bacolod route. For more information and other details, you can visit their Facebook page or visit their website www.fastcat.com.ph. For Fastcat, when it comes to their experience and their accommodation to their guests, very friendly sila, very approachable, also very attentive when it comes to their needs, inquiries, and other details. Very smooth yung overall travel namin on the sea going to Bacolod, kahit mapa-economy, premium economy, or business class, and accessible din sila for their on-the-go foods, for their snacks, coffee, and instant noodles. Very classy, well-sanitized, and mapaparelax ka for your travel experience. They're precise and true to their slogan, FerrySafe, FerryFast, and FerryConvenient. Okay, for rating manos, based on an experience and overall review with Ilonggo vloggers, we'll give it a perfect 10. And magpasalamat ako sa mga Ilonggo vloggers na kasama ko, most especially for inviting us and to be part for this wonderful experience. Kay Ilonggo Kuya, Jill Kim, B-Boy Natix, Pedalanga, and kay Francis Garcia Official. Also sa lahat pong bubuo, we're Fastcat. Time for our safety and also for your hospitality towards us and your customers. Once again, congratulations and thank you. See you in my next brands, latest reviews, or do-it-yourself episodes here in the City of Love, Iloilo City. Bye!